Hey, this is Chip from WP Track It.com. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to tell you kind of a little story here quick. We were building this tracking and conversion plugin for us, our business. And I kind of thought to myself, I was like, you know what? How about we just give this away for free to other people, to users, so they can actually track things just like us? Because like I said, there's so many plugins out there, and then there's Google and all this stuff. And a lot of it is confusing to most people because we get a lot of people that write us all the time and say, I have no idea how to do this. So, yes, I know how to track in Google and do all that good stuff. And I have it in the background going, but I just want to look at stuff day to day and actually see information without going through pages and pages and pages. And most people are new to WordPress and have no clue what they're doing. So I said to myself, why don't we actually take WP Track It, okay, and give it to people, allow them to use it, and allow them to say, hey, would you add this feature? And then just send us a support ticket, let us know, and then we keep making this plugin, this Track It and Conversion plugin, better and better for you guys, and obviously we're going to keep making it better and better for us. And then we thought to ourselves, why don't we give it away for free, not charge anything, and allow people to put it on unlimited websites? So that's what we've done. We're giving it away for free. We're going to actually take your input when you guys give us some ideas of what you'd like to see in the Track It plugin, and then we're going to implement it. We'll get our programmer to put the information in, type it out, and add new features. Okay. So we wanted to grow with our subscribers and help them build their WordPress website and allow them to take their business to the next level by tracking, building their email list faster, and knowing where all this traffic is coming from, where the conversions are coming from, and all this good stuff so you guys can have success. So that's kind of a short little story of what we kind of thought. So we decided to give it away. So I just kind of want to show you a viewpoint over the website and what you're going to get. And then I'm going to take you inside and show you on one of our main business websites. We just installed it on May 19th. So it's just been running for a short time. And I'm going to show you how it works, just some basic features. And then, like I said, we'll come back to the training right here where you can actually see all the features and how they all work. Okay. So let's go here. So we're going to scroll down here. So basically, once you're ready to sign up, just put your name right here, your email address, and then click, yes, I want this. And then come down here. You can just see 1, 2, 3, the steps, how simple it is. Then you can come down here and see unlimited real conversions and tracking. Affiliate link cloaking. So basically you can say you're promoting a product. You can actually cloak that URL to make sure you're going to get the commissions right here. You can track email subscribers, conversion tracking, graphs showing you all the stats, whole website traffic and conversion stats. You can add this right here to unlimited WordPress websites. Like we said, you're going to get free updates. We have 24/7 support. Even though this is free, most people don't give you support when they get free WordPress plugins out, okay? So you're going to get support that you can actually come to our support desk, write it in there, let us know what's going on, and then we fix it for you for free. Because like I said, we're giving it away for free, and we're building it for ourselves anyways. So why not? Like I said, we're giving back to everybody, okay? Because we want to help people have success. That's the whole point of having an online business, is helping other people have success like we are, okay? And then, like I said, we'll add more features as they come, but you can just scroll down here. We're always going to be adding different things. If you have any kind of questions, just click on any of these frequently asked questions, okay? So once you sign up, okay? So let's say you sign up, all right? You fill in your name, your email address, and then you click, yes, I want it. Then you're going to be directed over to our thank you page. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to download the plugin, and then you're going to download the file right here with the license key. All right, so let's say you got it all signed up. And like I said, you'll be able to look at the training videos to show you how to install it. It's super simple. But once you have it installed, okay, you're going to scroll down here. Once it's installed on your site, then you're going to come over here, WP Track It. And this is where you will set up your tracker, okay? So let's say you have an opt-in page. So I'm just going to show you right here, okay? So let's say you have an opt-in page where you have people fill in their name and email address, okay? We have a tracker in there. And like I said, the training videos will show you exactly how to set the tracker up. It's super simple. But let's say someone signs up here and clicks, yes, I want this. And then they go through the whole process. Basically, what's going to happen is it's going to show the clicks right here, and it's going to show the conversions. So say 38, okay? Then what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to scroll down here, all right? This will show you the stats and the conversions, okay, of those sites bringing you traffic. So we'll just click right here. You can actually see from highest conversions to lowest. Then you can see the clicks it took, and then the percentage it took for getting people to sign up for that email, okay, that opt-in form. All right. Now, another feature that you're going to really like, okay, is right here. This is the affiliate link tracking. This is where you can actually go right here. And let's say you're promoting a product, like I said, on the home page, and you don't want to lose your commissions. Okay. So this is cloaking. So let's just say we're going to copy this right here. We're going to add just Google for testing, and then we're just going to type Google right here. That'll be your tracker. You obviously put in what you want to track and cloak so you don't lose your commissions, or if you just want to use it for your website, just to track things. Okay. Then click add URL. Then right here, you can see the tracker's been set up. Now what you'll do is just click right there, and then it's going to give you the URL. Okay. So here's the URL right here. So it's just your website /Google. So just close that out real quick. And I'm going to go up here. So we're just going to paste this up here, and then you'll see it takes us right to Google. Okay. And then what it does is it tracks it. Okay. So let's just refresh this right here. You can actually see that there was one real view and one real click. Okay. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it right there. All right. And then right here is really powerful. Okay. You click right here. This will show you all the conversions. Okay. That you are getting on your whole site. Even if you're not even using a tracking link, this will show you everything. This will show where your traffic's coming from, what the source is. So let's say it's from Facebook or YouTube or wherever it is, it's going to show you. Okay. So right here, it's going to show you page, post views. It's going to show you refers, views. This is actually like I was saying, URLs like Facebook, Google, or wherever else. It's going to show the countries. Okay. Where the hits came from each country. Then it's going to show you your conversion. Okay. It's going to show you what opt-in page that they signed in from. Then it's going to show the person's email address right here. Then it's going to show what website brought the actual sign up. Okay. And then it's going to show the date. We're going to have another feature. It's probably going to be on another tab, but it's going to show actually conversions of, say, like how many clicks it took on, say, like YouTube to get a sign up. Okay. So, let's say you want to do Google ads or YouTube ads. You could actually create a tracker if you wanted, but you don't have to. But I would always use a tracker. Then you can know, which video, because you make, different trackers for different videos, for YouTube videos. So then you know which ad is working the best for you, so you're not wasting any money. And then right here, this is outbound clicks. Okay. So how this works is, if say we go right here, let's say you're on your site, let's say someone scrolls here and they see this and they, hey, I want to get this. So they click on that right here. See, my site pops up. So let me come back over here and just refresh it. And you're going to see right here, see how it says home? And then it shows we went to WP Learning 101. It shows my IP address, and then it actually shows when we went there. Okay. So I just wanted to go over a little viewpoint, but like I said, we are extremely excited to give you this opportunity. We feel like, we're blessed to be able to do this. We've been working on it over 6 months. And we're so excited about giving it away for free because a lot of people come to us daily, sending us emails, not knowing what to do in WordPress, how to track things, how to make more money online, how to build their email list and all that. So like tracking is so important. If you're not tracking, you have no clue what's going on. So like I said, we built this WP Track It for us first. And then, like I said, the story I told you in the beginning, we decided, hey, why don't we give back? And like I said, this is going to always be free. You're going to be able to get free updates. When there are updates, we're just going to push them right to you. So you'll see them in your dashboard. It'll say to update. And like I said, if you need support, you can click on this right here and get support. Then right here, this is going to be the training videos. Okay. So you just click on training and you come down here and it's going to tell you each of the tabs and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. Okay. So you just click on any of these and you watch any of the videos. And as we add new features, we'll add some more information. And like I said, once you have the plugin, you can go to support too, right here. And then you can click on any of the information. You can go to the training videos here. You can click to go to the support. And then, like I said, it's that simple. Okay. So all you need to do is just go down here under the video and just put your name and your email address here and click, yes, I want this. And then you can start actually using the plugin today and start cracking your WordPress website to get better conversions, to get better signups, and to know where your traffic is coming from. If you ever have any kind of questions, again, like I said, just come up here to the top right here, click on contact, let us know how we can help you, and we'll go from there. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, leave your comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like and share this video. We want to get this out to as many people as possible because our goal is to help people have success. Thanks again. This is Chapter Noah. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.